Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can recover Gmail account without phone number. So there is a way on how you can recover your Gmail account without phone number. So first off, you need to go to your Google, and then you need to go to Google account recovery first of all, and then you need to press on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So you just need to go to Google Help, and inside it you'll see some help center options. So you right over here, you just got to read the tip, and over here you'll see the option of forgot your password. So the first step is that you can recover your Google account or Gmail, and you'll be asked some questions. So if you can answer them, just go ahead and do that. But if you forgot the email address, you can use sign in, and you gotta follow these steps. So just read and see what your issue is. So for this context, we're just gonna go for forget our password. So you just need to press on this, and then you basically need to put in your email address and then press next. And right after that, you just need to use fingerprint or a face screen lock, whatever. If you don't have it, just try another way. Okay, right over here, if it's asking for your password, just keep on pressing on try another way, and then Google confirm that it's your phone. And oh, it really does something like this sometimes. So if it's your phone, Google can directly confirm it, and you can directly log in like this, and here you go. And yeah, you just directly log it in. But if it's still not helping, what you can do in the end, just simply type in Google support. Okay, and then in Google Help, just go right over here, and inside your issue, you just gotta go ahead and type on recover Google account. And right over here, you just need to go to these settings again and just make sure that you've done your setting, and you might get lucky and your account will be directly logged in, and you won't need any phone number or anything to recover your account. You'll directly be prompted. So yeah, this is it for this job. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.